Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Ubiquiti access point. And this method will work with anything with a reset button. So first thing you want to do is locate that little hole. I'm just using a paper clip, easiest thing. What you want to do is we're just going to poke it. Going to watch that light until it turns off. It's about 10 seconds. There it is right there. You get that little one more flash. And now remove it. Give it a few seconds for it to reboot itself. There you go. Now it's flashing, it's reconnecting. Once again, guys, this will work on any of the access points. Usually by the Ethernet port, you will see the reset button. Like I said, just hold it for about 10 seconds, wait for the thing. So there you go. Now this one here, the light's back on. Now it's ready to reactivate it on a new account. So anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.